Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment from a Euro CHF perspective? Now on the daily, the market has created this very nice impulse to the upside. That is exactly what we were waiting for on this pair, breaking all structure to the upside. What did we want to see this move? Because from a weekly perspective, if you remember, we know that the market has a very nice overextended W formation, and we would like to see the market make a move to the upside and basically start a move to the upside to complete the pattern at the previous support, now turned resistance, which is our upside target for this pair. Now, a clear sign that the market was ready to make this move to the upside is that we could see a nice deceleration from a market that was aggressively creating lower lows and lower highs to a market that was starting to shift to a bullish market, as you can see. So at the moment, the market broke everything to the upside and we can expect further continuation to the upside. Now, if you are already in the long from here, great job, now running in very good profits. If you're not in the long, or if you have to compound your trade, how you can be looking for the next possible opportunity. Now, obviously, taking a long from the high is never a good idea, even if the market could just continue straight up. Anyway, you don't have good probabilities nor good risk to reward for the continuation to the upside. You first want to see a retracement and then you can be buying because you get a better risk to reward and better probabilities. So how we will be approaching this with students? There are many structure levels here for Euro CHF. One is, for example, exactly at this area here, which was the previous support here, resistance here, acted as resistance, fake breakout, and now is again support here. Actually, to be more precise, this is the correct way to place it because this was clearly a fake breakout. Now, if the market will manage to make a nice retracement, then what we will have the possibility to take our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse and measure the retracement that should line up from a Fibonacci perspective with structure, creating a nice confluence of support. That confluence of support is exactly where we will be monitoring price action with students for a potential longing opportunity. Now, if we can see what is the point of view, so what hedge are doing at the moment from a Euro and CHF perspective, there are definitely some interesting things that we can see. Now, let's first check what we have from a CHF perspective. We can see that with the last report, the hedge funds have added another 800 short positions and closed 343 longs, bringing net positions at 6.6k. So CHF getting weaker, and from a Euro perspective, we can see the net positions are greatly increasing from minus 114k to all the way up at 78k net positions. So from having shorts outweighing longs to having longs outweighing shorts, and that aligns perfectly with what we have from a price action perspective: strong Euro and weak CHF. So if the market will give us a nice retracement, at least to the 38.2, then with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to shift from a bearish market to a bullish market, and for the market from a 4-hour perspective to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will do it, then we will be taking a nice long with a huge risk to reward and very good probabilities for a nice move to the upside all the way to the weekly completion area of the pattern. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.